Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to stop add everyone tag notification on Facebook. Okay, here I have opened my Facebook application on my phone, and first of all we can tap on this three lines button right here. Then you're gonna tap on this settings icon, and on this settings menu you're gonna tap on notifications. Since we want to turn off add everyone tag notification, tap on the notification setting, then you're gonna tap on the tag settings. Okay, then here you can stop add everyone tag notification on your Facebook. You just need to click on this batch mention to disable this batch mentions notification. Okay, and right after you turn off this notification, you won't get the add everyone tag notification on your Facebook. Alright guys, and that's the tutorial to stop add everyone tag notification on Facebook. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.